Aesthetic motion blur face tutorial. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can add that aesthetic face blur to your images. So it was very easy. For that you need to download PixArt app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you open PixArt, here you guys will simply click on that plus icon. Now import your image that you want to add face blur, motion blur, sorry. So I'll simply go to image. Here is my image. Now I will simply click on effects. Here you guys will see FX, BW, blur. Also you guys will see motion blur, pixelize. So simply click on motion blur. Now here you guys will see on top rubber option in center. Simply click on that. Now you guys will see restore erase. So simply click on erase. Now select size on 100, hardness on 100. After that remove everything on photo. Now after that we will simply click again on the store. Now we will add size, adjust the size. After that I will simply select my face area like that. Here you guys will do same for reverse. Let's do that. Here we go. Motion blur was added to our pic. So that's how you guys can do that. You guys have other options like pixelize option and also blur option. You guys can select whatever option that fits to you. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.